It's finally here, everybody. It is my new body panel. This is designed to be worn on your body, can have direct contact. Okay, so I have a face mask that is wildly successful, works great for the face. This is here for your body, especially for those that are undergoing surgery. Not just plastic surgery, any surgery. This will help you heal, okay? You can actually lay it on top of your body. You can actually put it on your head for hair regrowth. Red light's been shown to reduce pain and reduce swelling and decrease healing times. It also has been shown to improve collagen and decrease wrinkles. This panel is way more versatile than my other panel. The other panel is still fantastic. It's very high powered, but this is one that is great for the direct on contact and a more comfortable version. It has 4 different wavelengths that are really beneficial: 633, 660, 830, and 1076, okay? There's 3 of the red, you can see here, high powered LEDs, and there's one that is near infrared. It's just kind of like getting all the benefits of sunshine without the damaging effects of UV light. We're narrowing down the specific wavelengths that are beneficial to your body. So if you want to get this, check out our website, postoprecovery.com. You can get your body panel and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.